When you're working in Excel, many of the calculations that you make will be simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The first thing to know about these is that the computer keyboard doesn't have the same buttons as a calculator for simple calculations. While the plus and minus keys are the same, the division and multiplication symbols on the keyboard are different. For division, you'll use the / key, this one here on the keyboard, and for multiplication you'll use the asterisk, this one here on the keyboard. Let's see how we would build formulas by hand. Let's go to this shipping calculation worksheet. Here we have a parcel weight in kilograms, and shipping is calculated at $2 per kilogram. So to calculate shipping for a parcel that's 2.5 kilograms in weight, we'll start by typing the equal symbol, because that tells Excel that we're about to type a formula or a cell reference, not a word. The cell that we want to multiply by 2 is this cell, and it's called A4. We could either type A4 or we could click on the cell to select it. And then, because we need to multiply, I'm going to press the asterisk key to multiply. And I'm going to multiply by the number 2, so I'll type the number 2 and then press Enter. Before I press Enter, I'm going to draw a quick mental calculation. I'm looking for the answer 5. So when I press Enter and if I get the answer 5, I'm convinced that I've written a formula that is correct. Now let's calculate the total shipping and handling. That's the shipping plus the handling. So again, I'll type the equal symbol to tell Excel I'm about to type a formula. I want to add this cell, so I'll click on this cell. It's cell B4. I'll click the plus symbol and then click on the second cell that I want to add, the contents of C4, and then press Enter. And I'll do a quick visual check to make sure that the answer is within the range that I expect. Now let's have a look at a discount for PayPal or cash. It's a discount on the total shipping and handling. So we need 10% of this value here. I'm going to type the equal sign, and then we want to multiply this amount by 10%. So I'll hit the asterisk for multiply, and 10% is 10 and then the percentage symbol, or I could type 0.1. But you can't type just 10 because that's not 10%. I'll press Enter. I'm expecting an answer of around 2, and that's exactly what I'm getting. The discounted shipping and handling is this value less the discount. Again, equal. I'm going to take this value and I'm going to subtract from it the discounted amount and then press Enter. Finally, we're going to calculate an analysis. We're going to ask ourselves, what is the shipping and handling price per kilo of the parcel that we're shipping? So my discounted shipping and handling is $18 and my parcel weight is 2.5 kilograms. I need to divide. I'm going to divide 18 by 2.5 equal. I'll click in the cell that contains 18. I'll press the division symbol, which is this / symbol, and then click in the cell that has the parcel weight in it and press Enter. This parcel is costing on average $7.2 per kilo. When you have data in cells, it's best to use the cell reference in a formula rather than a hard number. So for example here, it's best to refer to cell 18 and to refer to cell 2.5 rather than typing 18 and 2.5. The reason for this is if this value changes, for example, say it was supposed to be 3, and I press Enter, you can see that all of these cell values have changed to reflect the fact that the parcel weight in kilograms is now different.